How to fix 100% disk usage in Windows. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing your 100% disk usage being shown on your computer, so in that case what you might want to do is, first thing, just come over to any of your disk over here. So once you're inside here, finally you can just tap on this any of your disk which you want to optimize, and just right click on it and click on its properties. So let's say I want to optimize this over here. So you can also actually perform the disk cleanup if you have seen your disk being completely used. And if you do that, you can also see the option called optimize under this tools section. So you can just tap on this optimize button to help change or run your device smoothly. So once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed regarding your 100% disk usage. So if it's still not fixing, so another way you can also do is just press Windows and R on your keyboard and simply searching for the following, which I'll be searching over here. So first option is just searching for percentage temp percentage. So once you're searching for that, it basically provides you with the all of the temporary files. Or once you locate all of your files, that is temporary files over here, you can simply press Ctrl A on your keyboard and simply delete all of these once and for all. So which may help or try to remove your storage capacity to its finest. And you can also try another option by simply pressing run button again once, just like that, and simply type this time the temp folder. And once you're inside the temp folder, just repeat the process by deleting all of this option over here. So you can skip or cancel if it doesn't get deleted. And finally, the last option what you might want to do is just press Windows R on your keyboard and simply searching for preface, just like this. So once inside in this screen, just hit the Ctrl A on your keyboard and simply delete all of these from over here as well. So once you do all of that, you will get a lot of free spaces available on your disk after you perform such operations from over here. So if all of those options doesn't work for you, the last option what you can also do is try to reset your PC without removing all of your applications from over here. So to do that, simply search in for reset this PC option from your search bar and you will be redirected to this page. And so once you're inside here, just tap on this get started button over here and you should see this screen. So basically choose the first option, that is keep all of your files, and try resetting your device, which will automatically fix the issue regarding your storage capacity as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.